Shalom everyone. So these are our science resources. Now these are a child's first library of learning. I had picked these up at the thrift store, and these are Time Life books, and I have a whole collection of them. I picked up some of them, maybe one or two, from Amazon, and these are great resources that we use in our homeschool, and there are many different types of books. So they go across the gamut of not only science but social studies, health and hygiene, anything you can think of. These are also a more simplified version of the Time Life books as well. Where does the sun sleep? First questions and answers about bedtime. So just to show you a little bit of what it looks like. Who is awake at night? So bakers. Do animals stay awake at night? Who makes all that noise? Why do fireflies glow in the dark? Why can we see stars only at night? So just a few little snippets of what that looks like. We also have the Usborne Internet-linked Library of Science Human Body book. Most of these books, I would say about 99% of them, I had purchased at the thrift store. So do not discredit or discount thrifting in your journey to homeschooling, because it can be a lifesaver. Another Usborne book, Internet-linked First Encyclopedia of the Human Body. Another one, First Encyclopedia of Science, and First Encyclopedia of Space. This book I had picked up from a school that I was working in, and they were throwing books away. And this is one of the books that they were throwing away, Magnets. So I love old books. I love how they are more in depth than these new books and carry a lot of valuable information. These are all of the National Geographic books that I picked up from the dollar store. So we have Meerkat, Science Almanac, Sea Creatures, Safari, Spiders, Cheetahs, Jump Pup. So we have a ton of those. Now these books here, the questions and answers science books, we use these as little textbooks when we're doing our experiments, and we enjoy using these. We purchase them at the Dollar Tree, and they are an excellent source of information without being too overwhelming. This is another one that I picked up at a thrift store, Electricity, Make It Work. So I like books with bright pictures and colors. I just can ingest the information better that way. So this one is on oceans, Scholastic Atlas of Oceans. This is two books on space. So when we do our space unit study, this is a 3D dot-to-dot space activity book. We have books on horses. So it's like a magazine book on horses, and I buy two so both of them can enjoy at the same time. Weather and Climate. Usborne Look Inside Your Body, which they love that book. This one is from the library, Color and Light. I've only paid a couple of cents for this book. Cut and Paste Science. This is where I get a lot of my reproducibles from. I purchased that at Lakeshore Learning. I have a book on space, Planet Earth, Animal World, and Bears. This is an Usborne book. Okay, we also have bugs, bug dictionary,
No.
sea life,
No.
simple science experiments,
Yes.
koalas.
No.
Now, this we had gotten from choosemyplate.gov from the FDA,
Yes.
free curriculum about nutrition. So we have two, one in English, one in Spanish.
No.
We have landforms. We have our science journals that we have been using.
Mommy, I have to go.
Go ahead.
Okay.
We have our science notebooks that we have been doing. So we need to update it. I still have a ton of stuff to put in here. So, and that is it with the science portion of our homeschooling resources, and I will come back in just a few minutes with more.